Okay, rolling.
Want a cookie? Want a cookie? Sure. Oh, good girl. Easy, Mike.
And he's going to the room.
He comes back.
Get Mistie's gift.
Mistie, want a cookie? Mistie, want a cookie? First open the present for her. You want a cookie? Oh, sure. You want a cookie? Well, no, you spit the other one out. What's up with that? You want a cookie? You gonna wrap this up?
Where's your cookie?
Oh, look what I got. What's Mistie got? What's Mistie got? Boom. Oh, man, yeah. Want a cookie? Want a cookie? Mistie, never know. Mistie, here. Want a cookie? What's a cookie? Huh? Come on.
She hit it.
You don't want that cookie, she wants a big bone.
And she's going right downstairs because she knows what she's supposed to do.
She said, heck no. Bam! Out of the way.
She's too funny. Good job, hon.
Thank you.